Certifications are good for first impression, but once you get the interview calls, you have to crack your technical round. You need to understand these certifications are just a piece of paper. If you have experience, probably you don't care about the certification. Hey everyone, welcome back with another video. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic related to the DevOps certifications. And I'm really sorry for last 1 month I was not so active on this channel because of some personal issues. But now I will try to make more videos related to the DevOps. So if you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. The first thing you need to understand, certifications are the validation of your skills, nothing else. If you're thinking that I'm a certified Kubernetes architecture or administrator and in the technical round you don't have experience how to write a YAML files, then probably you won't be able to crack the interview, right? So skills are matter then certification is not mandatory, skills are mandatory. Okay, certification is an add-on in your resume. If you have that, it will build the connection, it will basically stand out in the crowd, in the competition. You will get chances to get more opportunity, but at the end, once you get the opportunity, you have to crack the technical round. I will take 2 examples for you. One resume contains experience, skill sets, projects, and he published on GitHub everywhere. And one resume contains AWS DevOps certification, CKA certification, and some skill sets. Okay, when both applying the job, who will get a chance to get an interview first? Probably both will get an interview, right? But higher priority because he have experience and have certification also. So when you are applying any jobs, your resume will go to the ATS tools or maybe manually checking by the HR recruiter team. So HR are not technical, they are checking what you have in your resume. If you have the certification, you have done some projects or skills, or might be experience with the same relevant experience, you will get a chance to get a calls also. But once you have invited for the interview, your second round will be a technical round, which is probably depend on your skill sets, your projects that you have done with your previous experience, what you have done in your previous organization, what was the stack you were using it, okay, and how you were managing the problems with the and challenges, right? So probably technical round will not related to the any certification. They will ask related to the questions, problem solving questions, like what is a kubelet, what is a kube proxy, what is the role of that, right? These kind of technical questions they may ask you, okay? And if you don't have the answer for that, you will not be selected for that. That is a reality. If you have a certifications but you don't have a skill set, you won't be able to crack any interview, okay? So now the question is, who should have to do the certification? So if you're from the non-technical background, like you want to switch your job in technical IT, or you want to do the DevOps job, this is for everything, not for the DevOps certification. It could be implement for every IT certification, okay? If you are from the non-technical background, or maybe you are fresher, you don't have a experience, okay, industrial experience, in that condition you can do the certification because you don't have anything to put in your resume, right? And probably all resume will send to the ATS tools, and with the keywords you will be selected, okay? So I would say first, there is a lot of videos available on internet. You can go to YouTube, and a lot of people are creating a good content, like Abhishek Viramalli. He's creating a lot of good content. He even created an entire DevOps series. Even sometime in the beginning, I watched that videos also. So if you are really interested to learning DevOps, you can watch the videos. You can watch the entire series of the DevOps bootcamp, and probably you will get a lot of production level of knowledge, okay? Then you can plan for doing the certification because you have the knowledge, right? You just need a validation that you have completed these kind of courses, and I just need to get a job. For that, I just want to do this validation. So certification is just a validation again. So in that condition, you can do that. Now the next question is, which certification is good for freshers or professionals? So for freshers, there are AWS certification. You can go there, and there are architecture, AWS cloud architecture certification. Or for professional, it's a DevOps expert level of There is a AWS DevOps certification, which you can do that. For professionals also, or maybe if you are intermediate, you can do the CK certification. That is really a valuable certification. There is one more certification for fresher and for even intermediate also. That is a Terraform certification. So if you know that, if you're a Linux user, you probably know that when you're doing the configuration for, you have to do the automation, you want to configure 1000 server and you just created a script for that. You can deploy that script on all server with just one command. Also, there is a myth that after getting a certification, you will get 100% jobs from the companies like AWS or like that. It is not true. You need to gain real world experience and you need to show them the projects and skill set. If you don't have that, you won't be get the jobs. Now, I just have a one question. What do you think about DevOps certification? And if you're pursuing for any certification, which certification you're doing that? Let me know in the comment below if you're doing any certification preparation and where you're learning it. But don't forget to like this video, share with others and subscribe the channel. And keep smiling and see you in the next video.